Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect egg muffin. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Cooking made easy. Before we get started, let's present our ingredients real quick. I have some eggs. I have about 8 eggs. I am doing this for the whole week. This is gonna be our breakfast meal prep. And I also have some seasoning salt, heavy whipped cream, spinach. I already washed and chopped them. And we are gonna be using the organic all-in-one green seasoning for this recipe. This recipe is an all-in-one. It is an organic spice blend. When you are using this seasoning, make sure you minimize your salt intake. This seasoning also comes in 2 sizes. We have a 16-ounce and a 32-ounce. And we have some chopped bell peppers and onions, chopped tomatoes, and we have some cheese. I have shredded mozzarella and some shredded pepper jack cheese, but feel free to use whichever cheese you like. And this is the muffin tray that we are going to be using for this recipe. Now we are going to move everything aside and start making our eggs batter. And also we are going to be using some oil as well. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to crack all the eggs. After adding all the eggs, we are going to add 2 full tablespoons of the organic all-in-one green seasoning. We are going to add the chopped spinach, the bell peppers and onions, the tomatoes, and for the cheese, we're only going to use about 3/4 of that because we are going to save the rest to sprinkle on top of it. And we are going to add our heavy whipped cream, and then our seasoning salt. Then we are going to fully mix everything together. This recipe is very easy to follow, and this breakfast recipe is packed with flavor. It is a high protein, and it is a great way to integrate some veggie to your breakfast. And if I had mushroom, I would have added as well. This recipe is also a great way to clean your fridge. If by the end of the week you have some vegetable, chop them all together and make some eggs muffin. Now that our eggs batter is done, we are going to move it aside so we can prep our tray. For the tray, we are simply going to coat it with some oil. If you have cooking spray, that will work just as well. Or if you want to use butter, that will work just as well. So now I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to take a clean paper towel and make sure I spread it in each of them. This will prevent our egg muffin to stick from the bottom and will also help to remove it very easily. Now that I am done, I'm simply going to clean it, and now we are going to fill our muffin tray. Reason I like making this egg muffin because it is great if you are watching your calorie intake or if you are meal prepping. That way you can know how much calorie that you are taking from each egg muffin. Now we're just going to fill up the tray, and then we are going to bake it under the oven. And if you are new here, my name is Claude Mart. I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website that I created when I was in grad school, where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning. We also have organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you would like to try one of our seasoning, since all of the recipes that I am posting on this channel, I have been using the organic blend seasoning from Le Bon Goût Seasoning. I'll make sure to have the link right here, and the link will also be in the description below. And now we are gonna be filling up each well, and after that we are going to bake this under the oven for 20 minutes at 375 degrees. And this is what our tray is looking like when it is all filled. Now I'm simply going to sprinkle some cheese on top. And also, if you are new here, I also have a big omelette recipe. Please go ahead in my channel and watch that. And if you like it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Now we are going to put the egg muffins under the oven for 20 minutes at 375 degrees. It has been 20 minutes and our egg muffin is ready. And this is the result. So now we are going to allow them to completely cool for a good 30 minutes. If you don't allow them to cool and you try to take them out like this, not only you will burn yourself, but you also risk of breaking them. And I made these egg muffin without any sausage or bacon. If you want, feel free to add any protein that you like. You can also do it with chicken if you like. And here is a closer look of an egg muffin. They came out really nice. And as I mentioned, guys, you can have these in the freezer for 2 to 3 months. And after I have allowed them to cool, this is our final recipe. This is what our egg muffin is looking like. This is a great breakfast meal prep that you can have it with a smoothie, you can have it with a yogurt, or you can have it with a fruit bowl salad. Let me know what you like about this recipe. If you try this recipe, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you will add. Let me know what you will not add. Let me know what you will do differently. And here is a closer look of what one of our egg muffin is looking like. And if you are new to my channel, guys, please remember to subscribe. A lot of you who are watching my recipe are not subscribers. I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and help me grow. And thank you guys so much for watching my recipe. Thank you so much for staying until the end. I took a bite out of this one because I wanted you guys to see the inside so you can see what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now. Cooking made easy.